Good morning dear students. Today I will start chapter 18 and name of the chapter 18 is the pollution of air and water. Pollution of air and water. Pollution of air and water. Chapter 18 we will discuss about pollution of air and water. We have seen that humans are independent on the living and non-living environment for their survival. And so humans must live in harmony with the environment and maintain the balance of the environment. Both are interdependent on each other, or both are dependent on each other, so we can say that both are interdependent. And our environment therefore is not what is used to be 20 to 30 years back. We do not fresh air to breathe, clear water to drink, and clear blue sky. Why are we changing our environment? With the increase in population, main reason is the increasing population. Our living places have become congested, and due to this reason we face the problem of housing. More and more forests are being cut to meet the increasing demand. So first reason is changing the environment. Why forest being cut? So main reason is the increasing population. So when population will increase, their needs also increased, and then for housing forests being cut these days. And second, more food is needed to feed to increasing population. When obviously when population will increase, the all necessity of the life for the survival, everything will increase. So second is the for food. So we cut the forest to make space for the fields to grow crops. And chemicals like fertilizers and pesticides are used in more and more quantities to protect the crops. And more industries to manufacture useful products are developed, and these industries release harmful gases in the atmosphere and liquid wastes in nature, liquid wastes in water. And to meet the transport needs, activity is more and more of such facilities are created, and gases, fumes from the vehicles again are released in the atmosphere. So some reason here, we discussed some reason here, and different reasons are there for changing our environment. Different things are responsible, different reasons are responsible for changing the environment. Some discussed here. All the above mentioned activities have led to the contamination of our physical environment, namely air, water and soil. As a result, what are the consequences of these? The quality of air, water and soil has drastically gone down, and a large number of plant and animal species have disappeared due to removal of the forest. Obviously when forest will remove, so different kinds of animals are living there, so obviously they will remove, and number of people suffering from diseases is increasing. The term used to describe the contamination of our physical environment, air, water and soil is pollution, and these days pollution is a serious problem. And let us learn more about this burning issue of pollution. So here we will discuss about pollution. What is the pollution? pollution. So pollution in simple terms, the addition to the environment, air, water and soil of substances that are harmful for the living organisms. The substances that cause pollution are called the pollutants. Two main types of pollution. Types of pollution. Types of pollution. Types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, different kind of pollution are there: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and different. But here we will discuss about two types of pollution, that is the air pollution and water pollution. Noise or sound pollution is another type of pollution. Activity 18.1, study the recent changes in your locality, number of buildings, parks, roads, ponds, lakes, etc. and comment on their effects on the environment and human beings. First we will discuss about air pollution. What is the air pollution? Air consists of mixture of gases, that is the nitrogen 78%, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, other gases 1%. Other gases just like argon and methane, helium, ozone and water vapor are present in very small amount. So air consists a mixture of gases in this: nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, methane, helium, ozone and water vapor are present in very small amount. Now come to the activity 18.2. Visit the following places and take a walk for 15 minutes to get an idea of air pollution. A park and city, a road with heavy traffic, a village and town, and a residential area and an industrial area. So in this conclusion, note down the following: the smoke coming out in different places, and whether you start coughing or not, whether you get burning sensation in your eyes or not, make a report. From the activity 18.2, you can find out the differences in the quality of air, and in area with heavy traffic or more industries, the major differences would be the amount of smoke and dust in the atmosphere. So in this you can see that in our environment, it is in the air pollution, the smoke can come from different areas, from different places, and whether you start coughing or not. So what happens in Bhopal, India in 1984? A poisonous gas, that is a methyl isocyanate. A poisonous gas, that is a methyl isocyanate, was leaked from a factory in Bhopal, and the gas killed thousands of people, and the people who survived are still suffering the bad effects of the gas, and it has affected their nervous system. This tragedy name is the Bhopal gas tragedy, and in this now also they are suffering from the bad effects of that gas. What are the causes? Excessive burning of fossil fuel like coal, kerosene, petrol and diesel, smoke from vehicles. Why it happens? Different reasons are there, and this first reason is the excessive burning of fossil fuels like coal, kerosene, petrol and diesel. Second is the smoke from different types of vehicles, smoke from factories also and thermal power stations also. Deforestation, deforestation means cutting down of trees, and use of certain substances like chlorofluorocarbon in refrigerator and spray cans, exhaust gases from vehicles which contain carbon monoxide, nitrogen gas, nitrogen oxides and other gases. And carbon monoxide is produced from incomplete burning of petrol and diesel, and it is a poisonous gas and it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. So these are the reasons why air pollution caused in nature. What are the causes? Why it happens? So till here you will take a revision. Pollution of air and water.